Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of HotDiecast Garage. In this video, we're opening up a bunch of Hot Wheels Mario themed toys to celebrate the brand new movie rightfully titled the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Now, I've gathered up all sorts of Hot Wheels Mario themed vehicles, from the old premium cars to the Mario Karts to the Mario Kart gliders, the character cars, and even the monster trucks. So I think there's something here for every Nintendo fan. I'm really into the Mario Kart series, so I'm super excited to get these gliders out of the box, but the character cars are cool too because they've added some newer characters since the originals have come out. And as far as the premium cars go, I only have 3 out of 6 of them. I do have all 4 monster trucks and a monster truck double pack, which is pretty thrilling. Then of course we have some of the newer Mario Karts which have been hitting the store shelves, so let's open up all of these Hot Wheels Mario toys and take a closer look out of the package. We're gonna start off this unboxing with the man himself. This is the Super Mario Bros. Movie edition of Mario driving the standard go-kart. Let's take a look at our first premium car. This one is based on Super Mario Bros. 2. It's the Hot Wheels Cool One. Time to open up our first Mario Kart glider. This one features the character Yoshi, the car is the Sports Coupe, and the glider is the Parafoil. Moving into our second glider, we have the character Donkey Kong driving the B-Dasher with the Super Glider to carry him across the finish line. Now here's our first Super Mario character car to open up. It is a yellow 2-seater sports car with orange wheels based on Princess Daisy. Driving into our first regular Mario Kart, here we have the friendly mushroom Toad driving the sports car, the Mach 8. Back to the gliders, here we have the character Bowser Jr. driving a familiar car, the Sports Coupe with the Bowser Kite. Soaring through the clouds, here we have another Mario Kart character. This time it's Rosalina driving the P-Wing with the Cloud Glider. You can never have enough colors of Yoshi. Here we have another standard go-kart featuring the new Blue Yoshi. Observing the course is the character Lakitu. He flies around with his standard go-kart and the Parafoil glider. This might be the ultimate plumber machine. Mario flies around in the pipe frame with the parachute glider. Check out this next premium casting. This one is based on the video game Super Mario Bros. 3. It's the Hot Wheels School Busted. New for the year 2021, here's a special color of the dinosaur tow truck, the Super Mario Bros. Character car, Red Yoshi. Popular go-kart choice, once again it's the Sports Coupe, this time driven by Wario with the Waddle Wing glider. One of my all-time favorite Mario Karts, here we have the character Tanuki Mario driving the Bumblebee. Jumping back to the Mario Kart gliders, this is the other Mario bro Luigi driving the P-Wing with the Cloud Glider. A pretty sweet looking Mario Kart. Here we have Rosalina driving a very special car called the Birthday Girl. We already saw Blue Yoshi, but here we have Light Blue Yoshi, driving the pipe frame go-kart with the super glider to carry him through the course. A little guy driving a very big shoe. Here we have Baby Luigi driving the sneaker go-kart. The third Hot Wheels premium car is based on the video game Dr. Mario. It's the Hot Wheels car 8 crate delivery. Trouble is flying in with the character Bowser driving the standard go-kart with his signature Bowser kite. The hero of Mushroom Kingdom, Mario, is flying in with his standard go-kart and the super glider to save the day. To go alongside our red Yoshi character car, here is another Super Mario character, the light blue Yoshi truck. Now this is a very bright and colorful mushroom. It is the character Toadette driving the pink polka dot birthday girl. This right here might be my favorite Mario Kart. It is Bowser Jr. driving the muscular Flame Flyer. Our next character car has some pretty small arms, but he's ready to take on the racetrack. It is the Super Mario Bullet Bill. An icon in the Super Mario world, number 7 out of 7 in the series, is the first appearance for the character Donkey Kong. Who knew that Toads could fly? Here we have the character Toad driving the P-Wing go-kart and the plane glider. A perfect match for Princess Peach. She is driving around in her B-Dasher go-kart with the Peach parasol overhead. We started this unboxing with the theatrical edition of Mario, but now we have Mario driving the pipe frame from Mario Kart. It's time to open up our first monster truck. Number 1 out of 4 in the Super Mario series, of course, has to be Mario. Crushing along to number 2 out of 4 in the series, this is the other Mario bro. The truck is based on Luigi. Bouncing into number 3 out of 4 in the Super Mario Monster Truck series, this character is Yoshi. Rounding out the monster truck collection, number 4 out of 4 in the Super Mario series is Bowser. The final item that we're opening up in honor of the Super Mario Bros. Movie is the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Demolition Doubles Pack featuring Donkey Kong and Bowser. So there you have it, Nintendo fans. Those are a bunch of Super Mario themed Hot Wheels cars, from character cars to premium cars, go-karts, gliders, and even monster trucks, opened up and out of the box. Listen, I am a big fan of Super Mario. I think that these are some of the coolest Hot Wheels cars ever made. The go-karts are a ton of fun, and there's so much variety in these designs. I want you guys to let me know in the comments below which of these Super Mario characters is your favorite, and also which type of vehicle do you prefer. When it comes to the regular Mario Karts, I'm really into Bowser Jr. and Tanuki Mario, but when it comes to the gliders, it's a toss-up between Toad, Wario, and even Yoshi. As far as character cars go, hands down my favorite has to be Donkey Kong. It happens to be the same body that's seen on the monster truck. The premium cars, even though I don't have all 6 of them, out of the 3 that we opened up, my favorite is definitely School Busted. You really can't go wrong with any of these Mario-themed Hot Wheels cars. They all look really awesome and would be a great addition to your collection. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video. Thanks for watching.